celui, celle, ceux, celle. How do you use them in French? Coming up. Hello my friend, my name is Claire and I am here to teach you French with a smile. So, you have 4 different words to say the same thing, to convey the idea that something belongs to somebody, and you have a masculine, a feminine, a singular and a plural. Celui, celle, ceux, celle. Celui, masculine singular. Celle, feminine singular. Ceux, masculine plural. Celle, feminine plural. Repeat with me one last time. Celui, celle, ceux, celle. I believe in examples. So let's see a first sentence together, my friend. Ce livre est celui de François. This book is Françoise. Okay, here, celui, it goes with livre. It doesn't go with François. It could be a girl. It could be ce livre est celui de Sophie. Celui goes with livre, masculine singular. Encore une fois, ce livre est celui de François. Ensemble, repeat with me, my friend. Ce livre est celui de François. Now, the subject, the noun, is going to be feminine. But this object is going to still belong to a man. Cette veste est celle de Ziyad. This jacket is Ziyad's. So, celle. Because veste is feminine. Ziyad, it's a man. He's a man. So, celle goes with veste, feminine singular. Encore une fois. Cette veste est celle de Ziyad. Ensemble, repeat with me. Cette veste est celle de Ziyad. Excellent. Now, as per your request, I hear you, a plural. Les plus beaux tableaux sont ceux de Monet. The most beautiful paintings are those of Monet. Ceux goes with tableaux, which is masculine and plural. Encore une fois, les plus beaux tableaux sont ceux de Monet. Ensemble, together, les plus beaux tableaux sont ceux de Monet. Very good. One last sentence. Feminine. Les plus belles histoires sont celles des contes de fées. The most beautiful stories are those of fairy tales. Encore une fois, les plus belles histoires sont celles des contes de fées. Ensemble, les plus belles histoires sont celles des contes de fées. Yes! Congratulations, my friends! Excellent work! So, first thing, if you want one-to-one lessons, go to Preply, the link is below. If you want the slides, go to the website frenchwithasmile.net. And I see you very soon on French with a Smile. Bye-bye!